I'm going to show you how to make beef stock. So you take beef or beef trimmings, you take some marrow bones, freshly cut, you take some veg, you have garlic, carrot, parsnip and onion. You roast your marrow bones for about 45 minutes in the oven. You fry off your beef to brown it, get it nice and brown. So you have your browned beef in the pot. You add your roasted marrow bones to the browned beef. Add in your veg. And then fill up with water and season with salt and pepper. Simmer for 2.5 to 3 hours until the meat has really softened. Strain to get the solids out of the stock. That can be used for another project. And then strain again using a finer sieve, taking more of the solids out of the stock. Just allow that a little moment to drain into the pot on the bottom. Give it a shake. And then finally you will use muslin cloth inside the steamer. Pour it in gently, don't go too quick. It'll take some time to filter down through to the bottom. So add the stock slowly, because this is a very, very fine sieve. You want to take all of the solids out and end up with a nice clear liquid. When that all dribbles through, pour it into your jugs, allow it to cool, and then pour it into ice cube bags and freeze, and you're done.